How to upload high quality video on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here to your TikTok application, and then it will lead you here to your home section, right? So what you're gonna do is on the bottom part here, you will see the plus sign icon there. Click on that to create a content and then basically create a video. So for me, I'm just going to upload a video here, for example, this one. And then after choosing or creating the video that you want to set or upload in high quality, what you're going to do is to tap on next. Now, after tapping on next, tap on next again after editing it. And then here you will see more options, right? Click on that more options and I just want you to scroll down up until you see allow high quality uploads, and make sure to toggle that on to be able to upload a high quality videos. And basically, if you're done there, tap on post here and your video will be now uploaded in high quality, and that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.